Hey guys, broadcasting live and alive here in the pool area. The jacuzzi is not working.
And I do my best.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video I'm going to tour you around in our Airbnb space here in Pueblo Latino, Costa Blanca, Spain. So first, before I show you around our space here with my fiancé and Kiki, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up. So now, let me show you at the back. That's our Airbnb space. And as you can see, it's in the corner here in the street. So basically, from here up to the end is the area of our Airbnb. And this is covered with some glasses, fences, and I don't know why they choose the glasses, which is really cozy and nice. Now, let's get in. So this is our gate. Here you go. So upon entering in here in the house, we have already our front garden, which is really cool because it gives us another space where we can eat or have some fun time with us. So here is where the first garden starts. Before we go in the house, let's go here in the backyard first. Voila! This is our dining table. We cannot dine inside because we use the dining table for our work place. So you have the dining table here. And show them, Kiki, the barbecue stuff. They cannot show because I need my face. So this is the barbecue stuff. We have our big lavatory here, and we haven't used it, but it's so cool. And the most exciting part is we have our 2 bikes. But the thing is, we are 3, so someone is going to walk, and it's me because I'm a girl. Here as well, you have the big gate. Last time, me and Bench tried to open this one, and we never managed to open this one, and I don't know why. It's really hard. We tried to push this one, but it's really hard. I cannot. So let's just move on to the house. I'm going to show you as well how cool this blockage of the sunlight. Look guys. Okay, I'm not going to finish this, otherwise we're going to finish tomorrow. So yeah, how cool is that? Let's go to the house. Here we have our wooden living space. This one I really like because they put a comfortable pillow or cushion. I'm not pretty sure, but yeah, that's where it is. And this is our first table where we eat when we first arrive. Now let's go to the house. Ta-da! So the house is really cool, especially in the door because it's really protected. We have our own key, and you need to tap the key here to be able to open the door. Now, let's go to the best part inside the house. Come! So upon entering the house, you will already see our living room. It's quite small, but I like the idea that they have all the stuff needed for a living room. For example, we have already the sofa, and he's working, and he don't care. Why not? And then this one is really nice chair as well. You have as well the table. You have the 2 tables, and you can enjoy watching Netflix, or either, because the 2 boys are playing PS4, so it's really it's really good for them. Okay, let me show you one thing that is really weird here in Spain. I don't know why, but all of their windows, they all time put some roll up. I think it's normal for them. See, they put roll up. That's weird. But well, why not? Why not? Safety first. Now, let's go to our kitchen / working space. Let's go! So as you can see, this is supposed to be a dining table, but we don't have a big table for our office. So we decided to put all our necessary things for the work here. And it gives us more convenient to work, which is good. In this Airbnb, it's really nice because they have already a complete set of kitchen utensils, so it's not hard for us to do cooking and stuff like that. Now let's move on to the 2 rooms in the house. Let's start first in the master bedroom. So as you can see, we have this small space, and it's like front to front doors. But in Chinese culture, front to front door is not really good idea, but since it's Europe here, so maybe it's good for them. So let's go to the master's bedroom. Ta-da! I really like this bedroom because the color is really light, the walls are white, and they have this sliding cabinet opposite to the bed. They have their king size bed here, and they have their 2 tables with 2 lamps, which is cool, and they have their design. Now let's go to the toilet, since the 2 rooms here have their own toilet. So the toilet is just this one. Voila! Let's go to the next room. Ta-da! Let me hold the camera. It's your time, Kiki!
Hi, I'm Kilian and I'll show you my bedroom. So, as you can see, I have 2 bedrooms, so I decided to use it. I have a big window. It's very nice when I wake up. Yeah, I can see the cow.
One car.
One cow. 1 car, 1 person, because there is nobody in Spain.
COVID really attacked Spain.
Yeah, really. So, as you can see, I have a lot of place for my clothes, etc. I have a big mirror for see me. Hello.
Hi, mirror. What else do you have?
That's it. I have my chair, my bag, and it's fine. I have an IC just there, and I see it's really nice because it's hot in Spain. I will show you my toilet. There is a mirror with the sink, the toilet is just there, and a big shower. Big shower is very nice because you can see there is a stuff like that, and the weather is very cool when you take your shower. Yeah, so there is a window with the security stuff just there for the thief.
For the thiefer.
So yeah, that's it. It's really good.
Hey guys, so that's it inside the house. Now we are going to show you the best part of our Airbnb here in Spain, which are the pools and jacuzzi. Let's go! Now guys, we are in the best part, which are the pools and jacuzzi. So here we have 4 pools and 1 jacuzzi. So come on, I will show you around. So as you can see guys, at my back are some apartments. Unfortunately, because of COVID, people are not here. So basically, the pools are ours. Well, what can we do? That's ours. So see, it's already afternoon here, like around 2 p.m. If it's normal days, probably there's a lot of people here, but because of the situation, because of the pandemic, there is no tourists. The sleepers. This is for the kids. See guys, there's no people, so I can even shout. Woo! So this is for the kids area. I think this one is for a bit like 6 or 7 years old. It's a bit more deeper than the other one. Oh. More deeper than the other one. See? It's just like a canal and then you step in. But it's a pool. Why not? And here, this pool is really deep. Really deep. I feel like swimming right now. It's really good. Cool.
Hey, let's go for another pool. So we have a shower before the swim. It's really good.
Yeah.
Shower and my pool.
That's your pool. Jump now, Kiki.
I jumped just there, and luckily because it's really deep.
Yeah, it's deep.
So I jumped there.
Yeah.
And hey, just for rest, for enjoy,
Yeah.
for relax.
Relaxing
And
time. And the best part
Another pool for relax
is that?
this one because it's a jacuzzi.
Yeah!
So, how to use it? It's really simple. You just need to put this bottom.
Press the button.
And
Like hard.
fail.
Guys, for watching this video, and please comment down below what is the best part of our Airbnb that you really like. Would really love to hear that on your side, okay? And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below. And also, I would like to give you a drone footage of this pool.